I finally got tired of going from hotel to hotel to cabin to cabin. So my wife and I purchased this RV right here. It's a 2024 Flagstaff 832 DBS. Man, this thing is nice. We come from Houston to Orlando. I'm doing a voiceover right here. So I've been living in this for about a week now. And I tell you what, I love it. As you can see, I'm just giving you a walk around here. And this right here is the front side. You got one bumper slide out on the front. And you see back here, you got your water hose, and make sure you put a pressure regulator on because you don't want to plug your water in and start bursting all your hoses. And you see here on the back side, we got 3 slide outs, and I really like this. So it's a total of 4 slide outs, and this right here is 36.8 feet long. And this RV is really nice. Like I said, I got it set up really nice. My wife stayed down here a week with me, and I'm glad she did come because I would have had this thing a mess. As you can see, once we walk in, my wife, she set up everything really nicely for me. When we got here, it took us about an hour to set up. I love that self-leveling system. Just push the button and it levels itself. Right here is the master bedroom to the right. You see, my wife got it. We went shopping. We probably done spent about $500 or $600 on some things. But I had this custom the way I wanted. I made sure we had a washer dryer combo. And this thing is awesome. I've already used it. You know, you can set your time to wash for an hour and maybe dry for an hour. About 2 hours later, it's done. So this is a must-have, that wash and dryer, especially in the oil and gas field. You don't know where you might be at certain times, and sometimes you don't have the luxury of going to wash clothes. As you can see, the restroom right there, you can walk through and come out the other side, and this is the living area. And I made sure everything runs off 12 volts off the battery. Even the refrigerator right here, this big refrigerator, it works nice. And you got a fireplace there at the bottom. You can run it off 110 volts. And what runs off 110 volts is the high voltage stuff, high amperage, like your microwave and your fireplace. As you see, I had to get my recliners. That took a month or so to get that order. And then you have the second bedroom back here. It has this Murphy bed and it has a television. It had plenty of storage. I use this as my office. Unless my son or daughter come down and they want to stay, we can just move the stuff around. You see behind this television, you have storage. And you have all these drawers and all these things. There's a lot of storage in this. And you see I got my fan just in case my wife, she like to hear the fan. And I'm going to make more detailed videos on how to do certain things like letting and lowering and down this Murphy bed and things like that. It's just a few little tricks. And we had to learn as we go. And back to the master bedroom. I love this master bedroom. And you got this 3 AC system. So this thing works really great. All right, I'll make more videos and keep watching and have a great day.